morning thought of the day. The true purpose of education is to turn a closed mind into an open one.
வணக்கம். செறி வரைந்து சீர்மை பயக்கும் அறிவரைந்து ஆற்றில் அடங்க பெறின்.
Happy morning. Today's news. National news. Axiom 4 mission. President Murmu, PM Modi hikes Shubhanshu Shukla to space. It's a deja vu moment, says IAF. Education news. Class 10 CBSE board exams to be held twice annually from 2026, offering students a second chance to improve scores. Sports news. Meet oil couple, 9-year-old from Delhi's Mayu Vihar, who nearly beat Magnus Carlsen in an online quiz game. Thank you.